About 3 weeks ago, I made a really big mistake. I just realized it now. I deleted some of the videos I have uploaded. At that time it felt right, but to be honest, I was having mixed feeling about them. But right now, after uploaded 9 videos, I just realized something. I didn't delete them because they were bad. I deleted them because I was just scared. Scared they weren't good enough, or scared people would not connect. But doing that, deleted them, I was really hiding who I really am. And the good thing is, that mistake taught me something important. I just realized fear doesn't just stop you from creating, it's also change who you become. So today I want to share the steps that will help you start your channel and grow it the right way, and also build the mindset you need to actually keep going. So step number 1, define who you're really helping. The most important thing of all of this is define the help you want to give only one person. Or in the other words, think about the stages you want to help someone to go through. I don't want to use the word niche because when you're just starting out, that word can get confusing. I like to think in stages instead. So for example, in my case, I said this: I want to help someone start YouTube so they can change their lives. Then I will help them learn how to use their gear to run their channels. And then finally, I will help them build the right mindset to stay consistent and eventually build their own business. So saying it that specifically helps you so much when you're starting your channel. And here's why. You will know exactly the direction of your channel before you even start it. You will know what topics fits your message, and more importantly, what topics to avoid. You will build your scripts and videos a lot easier because your message will be specific and it will reach the audience who actually needs it. Unlike someone who tries to speak to everyone, which makes it so hard to even start. Number 2 is make and upload your first video. Don't wait until you feel ready, because honestly you will never will. I know it's easier said than done, but trust me on this one. The best way to start your YouTube journey is to just jump in and make your first video. Step number 2 is all about getting into action, not waiting for the perfect moment. Starting creating right away, even if it's messy. Write a few ideas, film a few videos, or better yet, just hit record and upload that video. In my case, before I uploaded my first real video, I had already written around like 20 scripts. I spent hours preparing, waiting for that perfect moment where I would finally feel ready. But here's the truth. That moment never came. Even now, after making around 15 videos, I still feel nervous every time I hit record. But it gets easier. Every time you put yourself out there, you will grow little by little more confident. Now here's why this step really matters. Truth is, you are scared. And that's really okay. It's completely normal to feel that way, but what's not okay is to avoid it, doing everything else except the one thing you actually need to do, which is to face it. Because the only way to get comfortable is by doing it scared. Every time you hit record, you start breaking that fear a little more. And the funny thing is, once you finally start creating, everything begins to make sense. Your angles, your lighting, your sound, all of that start to click. And at some point, you will look back and think, wow, I wish I had started earlier. Now here's what I really suggest. Go and make a full video and just upload it. Don't overthink the title or the idea or anything else. Just hit record, upload it, and that's it. Now after you upload your first video, trust me on this, you will feel everything at once. You will feel proud, nervous, excited, and maybe even confused about what next. And that's when it's time to slow down a bit and start planning your channel the right way. I know most of us start YouTube because we want to change our lives or our family lives. And if you start your channel to grow your business or grow your personal brand, that's totally fine. But here's the mistake most beginners make. They let that pressure push them to rush, and that's where things fall apart. Because here's the truth. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos, it's about connection. But at the end of the day, it's people connecting with people, sharing our feelings, our struggles, or our stories. And when you rush through it, you will lose that human part, and worst of it all, you will lose the real you. You'll start chasing numbers, copy trends, trying to look perfect, and that's when you slowly lose the real you. You're gonna forget why you even started and stop trusting your own ideas. And honestly, I'll be real with you. Even this video, I doubted making it. I kept thinking maybe people will not care about this, or maybe it's not a topic that will get views. But that's exactly the point, right? That's fear talking. Fear tries to make you stay quiet. It tells you to only make what's safe. But the truth is, that's not how you grow. Now that's where faith comes in. Faith in yourself, in your ideas, and the reason you even start your channel. So here's what I really recommend. Study what's already out there, but don't make content just because you chase views. Don't be afraid to put your ideas out there. Now let's talk about something really important that can really stop you from starting your channel and also from growing it successfully. Now here's the thing, if you're really interested in opening your channel, you need to realize one thing before we even begin. The hardest part of this all isn't the camera or the editing or the gear, it's your own mind. Now there is a saying people always say, the only wall you have to climb is the one your brain builds in front of you. Because on this journey, it's so easy to start doubting everything, every idea, every title, every script. And I can't even tell you how many times I have rewritten script until I was completely exhausted. So please do yourself a favor. If you really want to be successful, keep this mindset close. Done is better than perfect. So if you are on the fence about starting your YouTube channel, if you feel overwhelmed or scared or not confident, consider subscribing and let's do this together even though we are scared. I promise you this, jumping in a lot easier than sitting with that fear every day and avoiding it. So just upload your first video and come back here and tell me how it felt. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Take it easy.